Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Assess Chapter 3 Cumulative Brilton Madley Games. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will do for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments, project, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many student courses on material Pearson, Sandwich, Mintap, MC Grail, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and university. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Okay, first we will click on enable editing button. So the title of assignment is here, XP25. We will increase the font size of this title and I will highlight this. Okay. Title of assignment is XP25 Assess Chapter 3 Cumulative Brilton Madley Games. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. So we will select this complete instruction file and increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. Now moving on question number 1. Question number 1 is that start assess. Open the download assess file named XP25 Assess Chapter 3 Cumulative Brilton Madley Games. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download a SAS file from Pearson IT Lab Dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your school college portals. You can see my file. Click on learn more. 1 second. Okay. So moving on, next question of this assignment is question number 2. Okay, 1 second. Question number 2 is that create a query using query design from the customer tables. Include the field first name, last name, and phone in that orders. From the orders table, include the fields order ID, order date, and ship date. Run the query and then examine the record. Save the query as shipping efficiency. The first point of this question is that create a query using query design. We will go to our assess file. We will go to create tab in the queries group. Click on design query button. Okay, you can see query is creating using query designs. The next point is that from the customer table include the field last name first name. Okay, customer table include the field first name, last name, and phone. Okay, first name, last name, and phone. Scroll down and click on phone. You can see this. From the orders table, we will click on orders table here. Okay, and then include the fields order ID, order date, and ship date. Okay, order ID, click on order ID, click on order date, and scroll down and click on shipped date. Okay, so scroll down, click on ship date is here, shipped date. Okay, so the next is that run the query and then examine the record. So we will click on go to the query design tab in the query tabs group. Query design tab in the result group. Click on run button. Okay, query is run right now. So the next is that save the query as shipping efficiency. So right click on query 1, click on save. We will save query, that's name shipping efficiency. Click on OK button. Okay, so the next question of this assignment is question number 3. Question number 3 is that add a calculated field name days to ship to calculate the number of days taken to fill each order. The expression will include the order date and ship date fields. The result will not contain negative numbers. Use date arithmetic to calculate the days to ship by subtracting the order date from the ship date, run the query and that examine the result, save the query. Basically in this question the first point is that add a calculated field name days to 1 second days to ship. Calculate the number days. We will go to the home tab and click on view button, click on design view. First we will go to design view. Okay, close this. So add a calculated field name days to ship to calculate the number of days taken to fill each other. Okay, calculated field is days to, right click on this, click on build. So days to ship, okay, so abs into, okay, for please focus on my laptop screen. I am adding this ship date minus, I am adding this formula in expression builders minus for order date. So we will click on OK. You can see here calculated field is added. Now I have done this question. So the last point of this question is there, run the query and then examine the result. Okay, run the query, go to the query design tab in the result group, simply click on run button. So save the query as name as, simply save the query. Okay, so moving on question number 4. The question number 4 is that add criteria to limit the query result to include any order that took more than 30 days to ship. Okay, add criteria to limit the query result to include any order that took more than 30 days to ship. We will go to the view tab. Okay, so we will click on criteria limit query result to include any order that took more than 30 days to ship. More than 30 days to ship, greater than 30 days to ship column. Okay, so the next question is question number 5. The question number 5 is that add the quantity field from the orders table and the product name feed from the products table to the query in that order. Sort the query by assigning last name. Okay, the first point is that add the quantity feed from the orders table. Add the quantity feed from the orders table. Click on quantity feed. Okay, so and product name feed from the products table, and product name feed from the products table. We will open products table here. So we will add a product name field from the product table. So the sort the query by ascending last name. So we will have to sort the query by ascending last name. Okay, simply we will sort the query by ascending last name. We will right click on this, click on ascending. Okay, so moving on, next question of this assignment is question number 6. I have done 5 questions so far. The question number 6 is that, sorry, order is ascending order. Okay, quantity order is ascending order. So moving on, question number 6. Question number 6 is that add the caption days to ship to the days to ship field. Okay, switch to data sheet view to view the final result, save the close the query. Simply basically in this question we will have to add the caption to days to ship field. The caption name is days to ship. We will click on days to ship field and we will click on caption. We will open our property sheet first. In the property sheet, okay, for days to ship field we will have to add a caption name is days to shape. Okay, so the next is that switch to datasheet view to final result. Okay, we will go to the query design tab. In the result group, click on view button, click on datasheet view. Okay, so the next is that save and close the query. Right click on this, save, right click on this, close, save and close the query. So moving on, next question on this assignment is question number 7. Create a query using query design. Okay, create a query using query design. Add the customer orders and products table. Add the country field from the customer table. Set the fields total route group by. Save the query as revenue and cost by country. Okay, create a query using query design. We will go to create tab. In the queries group, click on query design button. A query is creating using query design, so we will have to add the customer orders and products table. Okay, click on customer orders and products table. We will have to add these three tables, so close property sheet. So the next is that add the country field from the customer table. Add the country field from the customer table. Click on country field from the customer table. So and fields total row to group by. Okay, in the query design tab in the show hide group, click on totals button. Totals button, okay. So save the query as revenue and cost by country. Simply, we will save this query as revenue and cost by country. Right click on query 1 tab, click on save. We will save the query as revenue and cost by country. Click on OK button. Question is done now. So moving on next question, you can see I have done 7 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question is 15. I have done 50 to 60% of assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My email and my WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link or directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. I will handle your complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. I am handling many student courses on my Adila Pearson, Sandgate, Mintap, MCGRA Hill, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.